How to cook vegan Pancit Bihon. Heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil in the pan. Then add 4 cloves of garlic sliced. Then a half onion sliced. Mix 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of Achuete powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper in the pan. Add 1½ cup of water. Add shredded green and purple cabbage and shredded carrots. Add 1 pound of soaked and drained bihon. Sprinkle black pepper to taste. Add a few drops of Knorr liquid gold soy sauce. Mix, then serve. Enjoy your vegan Pancit Bihon. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here's all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.